Case study 1. You are assigned to set up a gaming PC business and have to borrow a RM20,000 loan for 5 years. There are 2 banks that you have surveyed for that loan. Below are the details of the bank. First bank is Berjaya Bank. The interest rate charge is 5.54% compounded semi-annually. Second bank is Istiqomah Bank and the interest rate charge is 5.75% compounded quarterly. Question A. Calculate the total interest charge for each bank. We have to identify P, K, M and T. P equal to RM 20,000, K equal to 0.0554, M equal to 2 and T equal to 5. First, we take Berjaya Bank first. The formula is S equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M power M T. 20,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0554 over 2 power 2 and multiply with 5. The total answer is RM 26,284 ringgit 30 sen. Second is interest. The formula is I equal to S minus P. 26,284 ringgit 30 sen minus with 20,000. The total answer is RM 6,284 ringgit and 30 sen. Second is Istiqomah Bank. The formula same with the Berjaya Bank, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M power M and multiply with T. 20,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0575 over 4 power 4 and multiply with 5. The total answer is RM 26,607 ringgit and 30 sen. Next, we move for the interest, which is the formula is same. I equal to S minus P. 26,607 ringgit 30 sen minus with 20,000. And the final answer will be RM 6,607 ringgit and 30 sen.
B. Which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A and give your reason? The answer is I choose Berjaya Bank because the total interest charge is RM 6,284.13. It's lower than Istiqomah Bank, which is RM 6,607.30. C. After 3 years, the bank charged to rate to 6% compound monthly. How much should you pay at the end of 5 years? Calculate the total interest paid. S1 equal P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket power MT. 20,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0554 over 2 bracket power 2 multiply 3. The answer is RM 23,562.87. S2 equal P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket power MT. 23,562.87 bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 12 bracket power 12 multiply 2. The answer is RM 26,559.12. I equal S minus P. 26,559.12 minus 200,000. The total amount is RM 6,559.12.
The question is about Mr. Asri, who is a manager at a company, ABC Holding Berhad. He is going to retire soon and would like to maintain his lifestyle in retirement. He has 2 choices. The first alternative is to withdraw the 3.5 million from his KWSP's account and invest the whole amount in the account of an annuity scheme that pays 0.9% compound monthly. This way, he will get 10,000 ringgit every month until the account is empty. Joining a private retirement plan is another choice. Under this plan, he will get 10,000 ringgit every month for 28 years. For question A, we need to use the present value formula as Mr. Astri is thinking about making a loan to buy a motorcycle. So, for PV, that's 3.5 million ringgit. And for R, which is the monthly payment, 10,000 ringgit. To calculate this problem, we need to use the log method because we are looking for the power of negative n. So, the first step is to bring everything that is not related to this particular equation to the other side because we want to add log. So, the first step is to bring 10,000 right here. So, 10,000 is multiplied by all of this. When we bring it right here, it will be divided by 3.5 million is divided by 10,000. Next step is to bring 0.09 over 12 to the other side as well. So in order for us to do this, it will be 0.09 is divided by 12. When we bring over here, it will be multiplied by. So it will look like this. Now, we need to bring the 1 minus to the other side as well. So we will get 1 minus 3.5 million over 10,000 multiplied by 0.09 over 12. So now we have this simple equation. But in order for us to add the log, we would need to calculate all of this. So after you calculated all of this, you will get 0.7375. So now we can add the log. So it will be this. And we need to calculate this as well. Okay? You need to bring the log 1.00075 to the other side. So it will be divided by. So it will look like this. And then negative n equals to negative n. When we put this in the calculator, it becomes negative 406 log 0.7375 divided by log 1.00075. You will get negative 406. So we only need to get the first 3 digits of the decimal. So you will get negative n equals to negative 406. But we don't want the negative. We want positive value. So we just scrape off the negative and we will get n equals to 406. But we divide the 406 to 12 because 406 is the month. We want the year. 406 divided by 12 is 33.83 years. So you will get roughly 33 years. Mr. Asri got 70 more months using option 1. Mr. Asri should choose option 1 to withdraw from his KWSP and invest it because it has longer term of investment and has more advantages.
After receiving his retirement, Mr. Asri's son needs to use a motorcycle to go to college. Mr. Asri is thinking of buying him a motorcycle through an installment plan by making a down payment of 10% followed by 60 equal monthly payments. He anticipates the motorcycle to cost 11,000 ringgit and the interest charge is 8% compounded monthly. First, we need to find the down payment. 11,000 is the present value times 10% down payment, and the answer will be 1,100. We need to find the amount without the down payment. PV equal to 11,000 minus 1,100, and the answer will be 9,900. We are going to use present value formula in order to get monthly payment. R is periodic payments, K is nominal interest rate, M is for frequency of conversions, N is number of payments. We need to find the periodic payments, so we need to replace the present value with 9900 equal to R times 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 12 power of negative 60 divided by 0.08 over 12. And the answer will be 200 ringgit 74 cent for periodic payments. We need to find the interest charge. The formula that we use here is I equal to NR minus PV. I equal to 60 times 200.74 minus 9900, and the answer will be 2,144 ringgit 40 cent. If you want to settle all of the loan immediately after paying the 20th monthly payment, how much additional payments does he have to make? N equal to 60, which is total number of payment minus with 20, and the answer will be 40. In order to get the present value, we could use present value formula, which is PV equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus K over M, power of negative N divided by K over M. PV equal to R replaced with 200.74 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.08 over 12, power of negative 40 divided by 0.08 over 12. And the final answer will be 7,027 ringgit 71 cent. How much interest is paid? To get an interest, we use this formula, which is I equal to NR minus PV. I equal to replace N with 40 and R is 200.74 minus 7027.71, which is the present value, and the answer will be 1,001 ringgit 89 cent.
If he has not paid his first 3 monthly payments, how much should he pay on his 4th payment to settle all outstanding arrears? So, in this question, we are using the future value formula. Well, first, we have the R, which we have calculated it, and it shows it is 200 ringgit and 74 cents. So we will replace the R with 200 ringgit and 74 cents. For the K over M, we would use the 0.08, which is this. So for K is 0.08, and the M, which is the frequency of the conversion, it is 12 because it said monthly, compounded monthly. Now, for number of payments, which is N, it should be 4 because the question asks how much should he pay on his 4th payment. So N equals to 4. So it would look like this. Now, calculating all of this at once, we should get 811 ringgit and 3 cents.